This is JR from R Enterprises with a 5-minute drill on truck number 7461. It is in good condition. The chassis is a 2013 Ford F550 with 108-inch cabbed axle and large module. It is a 4-wheel drive. The engine is a 6.7-liter diesel. The DEF has been deleted. The overall length is 26 feet. The overall height is 112.5 inch without any payload. Headroom is 72. It is a Horton module. It has a Whelen siren and Federal dual Q2B siren with Whelen speakers. It has Whelen LEDs all around. It has a Vanner inverter and charger. It also has an IOTA 110 volt converter and charger. HVAC system is through the Horton multiplexing system. It has 102,000 miles on it. No known mechanical issues or problems. It is a 2013 Ford F550. It's 4-wheel drive, 6.7-liter diesel. DEF is deleted. The body configuration is left front oxygen. Set up for an M cylinder. Could accommodate an H. L number 2 has space for breathing apparatus. It's where the inverter and the charger is. A shelf could be added if it was desired. L number 3 has inside-outside access with 2 adjustable shelves. L number 4 is in a closed compartment. A shelf could be added if desired. Has a diamond plate rear bumper with flip-up step which recesses into the tailplate. The unit will kneel, the air ride will dump. When it's running, the back doors are open. It also has an override feature if the desire is not to dump it. The interior configuration is left side attendant seat. The inside-outside left rear compartment has a roll-up door. There is a forward action area on both sides. Attendant seat has a combination child and adult seat. It is a pass-through configuration. Power distribution quarters is behind the attendant seat. Enclosed storage below that. Also has a large refrigerator. Glove storage on the curb side. Also, that's where the action panel is located. 110 volt, 12 volt outlets. Storage over the squad bench. Storage underneath the squad bench as well. Area for sharps and waste. It is a curb entry forward configuration. The ALS cabinet is inside-outside access and just behind the curbside door. The unit is already set up with a striker rail. Unit has right rear backboard storage. Has a body side window. Inside-outside access for the advanced life support compartment. It has a lowered skirt line for easy entry and egress. If you have an interest in or would like more information on truck number 7461, please call 1-833-REMOUNT, REMOUNT, or visit our website at www.renterprisesllc.com. Thank you.